You can set up a piping system from the well, if you have the well, you can turn it into a borehole.
Right.
Yeah. And it's actually better because the borehole is too small. Greetings guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking you guys on a little trip to Pirang. So if you don't know what Pirang is the first community that we have been to. It's the first place that we have owned a real estate, and so we're going to take a tour out there, let you guys see. We're going to be doing a giveaway courtesy of our customers, so make sure you stick and stay for that. Okay guys, so right now we have 4 amazing women on camera, by the way, I have to say that. You have Karen, you have Marcia, and I didn't get your name, Queen.
Lana,
Sister Lana, real Jamaican patois. I swear to me, I listen like she sound like my auntie. And we're here in Pirang, and you know.
And you forget my name, sir.
But everybody know you. Well, let me see your face. Alright, so we're here in Pirang, and you know, we just come to look at the land that Lady Karen is now a landowner now here in Pirang, and Lady Marcia is now a landowner here in Pirang, guys. And I'm not.
I have to say, Lady Karen is a really good name for a street name.
I'm sorry. Right? But you guys, you like Pirang. How do you feel about the community? Like
the community for me, I didn't expect to see so much houses down there, because at one point in time when I look at the videos, I could see one house top, and I thought it was the only little house in the area until we drive in there. So the community is quite big, and like we come up to the back here behind. It doesn't mean you're excluded from the community, and we shouldn't be excluded. Exclude them from our community.
That is true.
So then, I'm happy to have the community around us. Yeah. Then we have the schools. So there is so much you can do here with the community, because they need help as well.
That is true.
Yeah, they need a lot of help as well.
That is true. And it's up to us to come together and create those, you know, those opportunities.
Yeah.
I can see that the land we're standing on right now, I mean, it's in its infancy. So we bought the land. We're going to build upon it. We're going to build a community and share as well. Share with the surroundings.
Yes.
And it's clean.
Woo, fresh air. It's nice.
You're not breathing in the toxins from London and places like that. You're breathing in clean air. And we're not far from the Gambian River.
If one thing I could say is where we stay in, we have duvet cover. And we cover in whole night with duvet cover. So I'm sure I need a thicker duvet cover than this.
Yeah, because
the nights are very
chilly.
chilly.
This is to tell people you're not gonna be burning up at night.
No, it's cool. Even right now it's cool. And in the summer when it's hot, it's still cool.
It's still cool.
Here.
Up this side.
Yes.
So, I think that's great.
That's a plus. And
it's
right
a plus.
now, the mint is growing wild, and the mosquitoes don't like mint, so I'll be sleeping in mint, because the mosquitoes, they love me. I don't love them at all.
You don't like mosquitoes?
Well, come on.
So you guys can attest to the fact that there's no mosquito on this property.
There is no mosquito here.
Have you been bitten once?
Nope.
Since
I haven't been bitten since I'm in Gambia.
Yes.
Yeah. You haven't been bitten?
Since I'm in Gambia, I haven't been bitten.
That's because you use the citronella.
No, I don't.
You don't use it?
I don't.
Okay.
I've not been using it.
I've been using it.
Maybe it's what you're eating then.
She said my blood bitter.
Oh, that means you drink a lot of Cinco Bible then.
Probably.
Yeah, you understand. But you know, guys, one of the goals for us as a company, and even for us as Queen Jodi and AP, is to provide spaces where people can build sustainable communities, what we call sustainable communities, and that can look like different things for different people, but for the most part, once you have your borehole, your solar, your little garden, You,
No
your
bills.
name, even if
No bills, I like that. Hashtag no bills.
I come out of the stress of England with bills.
Exactly.
When my letterbox knock, I'm wondering what's
no,
coming.
Oh my
No
God.
refrigeration.
Hey, let me show you something. One of the things what I love about, especially in the Gambia, is that you can come here, you can buy a piece of land, even as small as a 20 by 20 like we have over there, so we soon talk about that, right? And you can build a little, them call it shack, but we call it studio.
Yeah.
And you put your solar, your borehole,
Yes.
and you just have your little garden, and that's it. The only bill that you might have is your taxi fare and your internet bill.
Yeah.
And your phone bill.
And if you want to call people.
Yeah.
You understand?
Guys, if you even have internet, so most people go on WhatsApp
They
and
WhatsApp,
Telegram.
nobody
Exactly.
uses
phone.
But when you're outside of Africa,
Yeah.
you're spending what, 5,000-10,000 a month every month.
Some people spend more.
You
than
could
that.
hardly buy food
You could hardly buy food.
after you pay your bills.
But now you can come on the land and you can farm your own food.
Farm your own food.
Nobody not already
no
have.
water bill, no electric bill. If you have gas, you buy a tank, so there is no bill.
Basically.
Yeah. So then, at the end of the day, the money that you're
people use
paying
wood
out
fire.
for bills, you have that.
You have it.
You have that money.
You have the money. And there's also technologies that are coming into place made by Africans that is going to put in place that you can have access to gas
Is it?
all the time.
Underground.
Because you can use if you know what you're doing, you can use your waste, like food waste or whatever waste, and turn it into gas.
Yeah.
So recycling. And those are the opportunities that you have in Africa. So as me say, if you're spending 10,000 a month, 20,000 a month, spend 20,000 one time and that's it.
Yeah.
You live free in Africa, you know.
That's a good idea.
The freedom of living here. But I'm very happy that you guys have found a place that you resonate with. And me deliberately make we stand up here for a little while so you can feel the energy.
Yeah.
To see if it align with you guys. Because it's not about selling the land. It's about making sure that you connect with the land as well.
Very
Because
important.
it's not about the money. We can pocket as much money as possible, but if you are not happy at the end of the day in terms of the energy, then it'll be wasteful.
It's quite inviting.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. You come here and because the first time we come up here, I was like, this look good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And I said I gotta go back again before I come. And now I come here today. I think I feel better. I feel more. And what made me feel even more is that road.
Yeah, we can check it out now if you know what. We can go look at that road for
That
real.
road to stop me from going all that way.
Yes,
That road made me feel even better.
I understand, but you know what?
Yeah.
I'm going to guarantee you that you're going to want to drive that road soon.
I will do because I would want interaction.
Yeah.
That's why I say that.
I will do.
Mm-hmm.
But if I'm in a haste going somewhere,
Boom. Main
I
road.
just get out there.
You're gone.
So
And as me say, one of the nicest thing about this, if you guys like you, Auntie Marcia, you have a nice size here, and you can have like an extra space if you wanted to make additional revenue.
yep,
Because nothing is wrong with having passive income,
of course.
you know.
And here in Gambia, you need something.
You need something, because the reality is you have to create something.
Yeah.
And what I'm saying is that if you have it, the university is right there and it's almost finished. That means people are going to need places
Does
to
it have
stay.
foreign students?
Foreign students, not that, but more likely, because it's the biggest university in Gambia.
Okay.
That one. And so that people are going to want teachers, all kind of people are going to want places to stay. And you guys are right here. If that's a possibility, maybe. Who knows?
Maybe them come
Of
try
course.
some Caribbean food from
Some
another
Caribbean
side,
food. I don't
All
know.
of the Caribbean people them just cook up.
From Caribbean.
Caribbean. All right, I like that one there. I like that. I like that. I like that very much. That one is good.
I name this land Caribbean.
Okay, let's bless it. There's So to a family watching, don't feel no way. A Caribbean village serious.
Okay, that's good.
Are these types of books okay, or would you prefer the bigger ones?
Yeah, they are okay. This will be good for teachers.
This one for the children.
Okay, get some more there.
This one for teachers as notebooks. Yeah. But this one, the children.
and you want books with no lines in it, so drawing.
We also had some things for the walls, but we forget them in the hotel. So we give them to her and she could bring it down on the hotel.
Times tables and charts and things like that.
Yeah. So we're gonna give them to Jody.
I'm actually a teacher. I teach sewing. So I don't know if you do that at this age group, but that's something that I teach.
But your class is not as large as ours. What must have participate 14 in the class? For sewing.
That's a big
Sewing at this age as well. Okay, that's good.
We used to have that in England.
Not
Used
many
to.
schools teach skills.
I did in high school for 2 years.
You see, in high school.
High school, yeah.
In the lower school, they don't really
They don't do
do
that.
it.
I did in high school for 2 years.
That's the sewing.
So,
Even me, I studied sewing.
yeah.
So it was lovely to be here with you guys.
Alright, much love, family. We'll go back again.
And we wish you a nice flight back home.
So are we talking to Mandingos or what? Followers? Mandingos. Everybody.
I have books for Mandinga. Yeah. You start reading Mandinga.
Mandingo.
Problem. Even me, I need to come
So we can learn
You are
Mandingo.
coming to Mandinga.
Yes.
Yeah? Right. So we're going to be learning Mandingo. Yes. Back to school for us.
We are in TA.
How are you? I'm Karen.
Yeah.
How are you? Good?
Lovely.
Oh, lovely.
Okay, then. Take care, yeah?
Thanks, guys.